Welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to tell you about creating a splash screen in Android Studio with animation. So in this video I am going to create a splash screen with animation in Android Studio. First of all, we are going to use an library to create an animation for our splash screen. So here is our library, that is Android Gif Drawable. So for this purpose, for animation purpose, we are going to use this Android Gif Drawable library. This enable us to show a GIF file into our Android Studio. So you can see this library. You have to just write this library in your project build.gradle file, as you can see that I had created here. Next, you will not see a GIF file in our project, so I am going to show you it here. So here is our splash screen illustration that we are going to use for our splash screen. So here you can see our splash screen animation. Now we are going to move towards its implementation. After you successfully run your build or gradle process, you will find your project like this. So here, instead of text view that come by default, that hello world, we have to write our GIF image view. So with the help of GIF image view, we will show our splash image. This is the GIF file that I had shown you in my Chrome. Next, I am going to write GIF image view, then give its width and height of wrap content, and next we are going to add a source, that is splash image, and make them constraint over the parent, and then we have our main activity. So after some seconds we are going to move to our main activity or dashboard activity. So for that purpose I am going to write private static final int splash timer is equal to 5000. Now this 5000 is in milliseconds, so it is for 5 seconds is equal to 5000 milliseconds. So here we have to write the value in milliseconds. So here for 5 seconds I had written 5000 milliseconds. So after 5000 milliseconds I would like to move from my splash screen to dashboard activity with an animation. So for that we have to create a new handler in our onCreate method of our main activity. Here I had written new handler. So let me write it again, new, then you have to write handler, and then write post delayed. Here you will find new runnable method. In this runnable method you will find a large amount of error, you can see that. So here we are just writing intent is equal to new intent, and here you have to write this, then dashboard activity, dot class, and now we don't have that, and we are going to create this class in our next tutorial. So currently I am going to write get application context and then my main activity dot class. So this will loop in our main activity only, and then here we have to write start activity with our intent, and don't forget to finish this method, because when user click on back press method, then they may get return back to our main splash screen. So we have to finish our splash screen after it once shown. Next, in our splash screen with animation, we have to add some timer. So as I had already declared splash timer in millisecond, so here I had written that. Now when you run this application, you will find a splash screen with animation by Android tutorials. Here don't forget to write this closing semicolon. And if you enjoy this tutorial, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to miss a bell icon. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.